destination is a peaceful island where it's the little things that count. Like mingling with neighbors, designing your home, and simply enjoying life. Summertime brings its own share of delights. You'll see a wealth of lush greenery, not to mention a veritable treasure trove of bugs native to the island. The usual winter activities are a jolly good time. And the night sky above is particularly spectacular this time of year. As you can see, when the seasons change, the activities available to you change along with them. Not long after your arrival, set up your new home base. Choose what to make. And there you have it. As you can see, with enough recipes and the right materials, you can build a plethora of wonderful things. Welcome to the airport. Feel free to get a good group together and make some memories. The true standout is your specially built Nook phone. It has the standard apps like a camera. Over time, we will provide new applications to support all your deserted island needs. This is one nature-rich island. It's possible that you could encounter dangerous insects such as wasps or crabs. If you get stung, you may end up somewhat irritated. Or worse. Your deserted island is surrounded by the sea. You could get lost or find yourself unable to move forward. In situations like these, it's best not to panic. Instead, simply use the rescue service. We are developing a web service within the Nintendo Switch Online app for real-world smart devices. It's called Nook Link. Also, as you've seen today, the Deserted Island Getaway Package offers you a wild new life surrounded by nature, just as its name suggests. Does the game support Amiibo? Yes, you can place models and creative photo shoots.
I'm a gnome, and you've been gnome.
In order to protect the environment of your island, some tools like axes and shovels are forbidden in visits with friends.
When the light is running low and the shadows start to grow and the places...
What if I lose my save data? Animal Crossing New Horizons does not support the Save Data Cloud feature. Will there be a special theme system to go along with the game? Yes. Will there be any free update? Yes. We're looking forward to meeting you all on the island.
I think I'm gonna need a bigger boat.